Welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we talked about the crankshaft. Today, we'll be talking about the engine valve. Let's take a closer look at it. This is a pair of engine valve. They look similar, but they perform different duties. But what exactly is the duty of this valve? A typical photo of how a valve sits on a single top cylinder. The work of the valve is to open and close when needed, controlling the flow of gases into and out of the engine cylinder. The first valve is called the intake valve. Its job is to open and allow an air-fuel mixture from the carburetor into the engine cylinder. This happens during the first stroke of the four-stroke cycle, known as the intake stroke. The second valve is called the exhaust valve. Its job is to open and allow the burnt exhaust gases to leave the cylinder to the exhaust. This happens during the fourth stroke, known as the exhaust stroke. I know you must be wondering how the valves open and close and what a stroke cycle is. The valve opens with the help of the camshaft and closes with the help of the valve spring. The camshaft determines the timing and how it opens, while the valve spring springs the valve back to its position. But we will be going into details about the camshaft on our next video. This is what happens to the valve when the engine is turned. And so far, we started with the very basics and most important engine components, the piston and its rings. We then looked at how the piston is connected to the connecting rod and how the connecting rod connects to the crankshaft. Now, we're looking at how these engine components are linked, how they work together, and how they depend on each other.